The Oppo Reno comes with dual rear camera and a shark fin rising front camera that helps you capture good photos even in low light conditions. For impact protection, the screen features a Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The phone is available in jet black and ocean green color variants. Oppo Reno comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Oppo Reno features an edge-to-edge 6.4-inch AMOLED screen that gives you a completely uninterrupted screen experience for watching videos, playing games, or reading e-books. It also features a hidden fingerprint sensor that helps you unlock the phone instantly and securely. The phone has a 48-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera with ultra night mode that lets you capture good pictures even at night. The shark fin rising front camera lets you capture more natural-looking selfies. Powered by Android Pie operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 3765 mAh lithium polymer battery providing talk time of 14 hours and standby time of 320 hours. It also comes with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, adapter, headset, USB-C charge cable, SIM card tray ejector, protect film, case, important information booklet with warranty card and quick start guide. The Oppo Reno comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.